Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how I turned a normal video with audio into a transparent video that you can overlay anywhere in your projects. And if you haven't seen my previous video on creating an animated YouTube subscribe clip for free, check out the link right here at the top right corner. We'll use Unscreen, Shotcut and Clipchamp, and I'll show you how I added the sound effect back after Unscreen removed it. Let's get started. Step 1. Removing the background using Unscreen. So I started with a regular video clip that had both background and audio. I uploaded it to unscreen.com, which automatically removes the background. No green screen or masking needed. It's super quick and accurate for most videos. But here's the catch. When you export from Unscreen, you only get a GIF or a video without sound. So while my animation looked perfect, the original sound was gone. That's why I moved to Shotcut to bring the sound back in. Step 2. Adding the sound back in Shotcut. I opened Shotcut, which is a free video editor, and it's perfect for quick fixes like this. I imported the transparent GIF I got from Unscreen, then added my sound effect, which I generated using Kling AI, so it's 100% copyright safe. Now here's the key step. When you go to export, look at the left hand side panel where you see all the export presets. Scroll down until you find a category called Alpha. Inside that, choose WebM VP9 Alpha. That's the option that lets you export your video with transparency. So you will get a .webm file that keeps the transparent background and includes your added audio. Then just hit export file and wait for it to render. Step 3. Importing into Clipchamp. Once my video finished exporting, I had a transparent WebM VP9 file with sound. Then I imported that file into Clipchamp and the transparency worked perfectly. Clipchamp supports WebM with alpha channels, so I could overlay it on top of my main footage like an animated subscribe button, logo animation or intro graphic. And that's it. That's how I turned a regular video into a transparent one while keeping the audio using Unscreen, Shotcut and Clipchamp. Here's a quick recap. Remove the background in Unscreen, re-add your sound in Shotcut and export as WebM VP9 Alpha, import into Clipchamp to overlay it into your projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you would like me to share these transparent effects for free. And again, if you missed it, watch my other video on creating animated YouTube subscribe clips for free. Links right up here in the top right corner. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.